Hi there. So the format of these videos is going to be slightly different. Instead of following the more standardized step-by-step approach, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about the use of the redundant axis optimizer, or the axis map as it's known. This is probably one of the most fundamental tools in robotics programming in ENCY and has a remarkable ability to be able to help you chart your way through otherwise seemingly impossible operations. So we're going to be taking a look at a very simple toolpath and working out what each of these controls correspond to, and then we're going to look at a slightly more complicated toolpath, which will require that we iterate through multiple renditions of using the axis map. Because one of the things that I wish that I'd known when I first started using it, certainly, is that it can be used as an iterative tool. More specifically, by making a series of changes and updating the toolpath, you can then come back and keep repeating changes or making further tweaks to it, and finally being able to come to a happy resolution. So in the next video, we'll start out with a very simple toolpath just to get a feel for what each of the controls in the axis map corresponds to. I shall see you then.